There's a quote I love that says, you can lose your money, but you should never lose your ability to make money. Let me start with a simple story. Imagine two friends who both lost their jobs in the same month. They were both shocked. They were worried, facing the same economic realities. Now, a few months later, however, their lives looked completely different. One was still blaming the economy, waiting for someone to rescue him, whereas the other had started learning new skills. He was learning how to sell, how to communicate, network, market products, and create opportunities for himself. And within a short time, doors began to open for him. I've talked about this many times. What was the difference? Not luck. Before you start saying, oh, he's just a lucky person. No. Not connections either. Not family background. Simply skills. Have you ever noticed that two people can lose money at the same time, yet one recovers much faster than the other? The reason is simple too. The person who knows how to communicate, negotiate, sell, market, build relationships, and solve problems can always rebuild faster. Why? Because skills create opportunities. Money can disappear, jobs can disappear, businesses can struggle, but valuable skills remain with you. In fact, many smart Nigerians today are positioning themselves in environments where they can learn business development, relationship management, communication, and sales skills while earning and growing at the same time. Because sometimes the greatest opportunity is not the money you're making today, but the person you're becoming in the process. Now, don't get me wrong. No. Failure is very painful. I've experienced setbacks myself, and I know how difficult those moments can be. But do you know what's even more painful? Remaining there. No one celebrates failure. People celebrate comeback stories. So instead of asking yourself, why is life so hard? Instead, start asking yourself, what valuable skill can I learn that people need? That single question has the power to change your future, because when money disappears, skills will remain. And sometimes, one useful skill is all you need to rebuild your confidence, your income, and your entire life.